Understanding a misty notion in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, a misty notion. This expression is not just about weather, but it's a metaphorical way to describe a certain type of thought or idea. Let's explore this together. A misty notion refers to an idea or thought that is unclear, vague, or not fully formed. Just like how mist can make it difficult to see clearly, a misty notion is a thought that isn't clear in your mind. It's like having an idea that's there, but it's foggy or hazy. This phrase is often used when someone has a general idea about something but hasn't thought it through completely or doesn't have all the details figured out. To better understand a misty notion, let's look at some examples. I have a misty notion of what I want to do after graduation, but I haven't planned it out yet. She had only a misty notion about the new project, lacking clear details or a defined approach. In these examples, a misty notion highlights the lack of clarity in the ideas or plans being discussed. Using a misty notion in your conversation can add a poetic touch. It's best used when expressing uncertainty, when you're not sure about your thoughts or plans. Describing early-stage ideas, when your ideas are still forming and not fully developed. Be careful not to confuse a misty notion with having a complete lack of idea. It's more about having an incipient idea that's not yet clear. Also, remember that it's a metaphorical expression, so it's more suitable for informal or creative contexts rather than formal communication. And that's a misty notion for you. It's a beautiful expression to describe those early-stage, hazy ideas we all have from time to time. I hope this explanation clears up any fog around this phrase. Remember, learning English is a journey, and each new phrase is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.